Hey everyone, welcome to Dragonflyz Ozark Homestead. I'm going to throw a little something quick out there at y'all. I just made this casserole. We've already eaten dinner, and this is what we have left. The bulk of this casserole, and this is from our pantry, I had everything already. The bulk of this casserole is egg noodles, pre-cooked shredded chicken, which I already had in the freezer. I have muffins in the oven. I cooked some bacon that I already had in the freezer, a can of whole kernel corn, a can of cream style corn, a carton which is equal to 2 small cans of chicken soup. Let's see, what else? About a cup of shredded cheese. And that's basically it besides seasonings. So I took basically a handful of chicken and 2 cups of, and I'll add the recipe with a picture of this, 2 cups of egg noodles cooked, and about a handful of shredded chicken, and the rest came out of the pantry. So that little bit of food is going to give us 12 servings. Here's 1, here's 2, there's 3, 6, 9, 12. That's regular size servings, and we're both full. So, just an idea. Cook from your pantry and make everything stretch. Thank y'all for watching. Be blessed.